Good morning, children. Today we will study importance of soils. Many human and economic activities depends upon soil, like cultivation, agriculture, mining, etc. All the food comes either directly or indirectly from the soil, like the vegetables, etc. Livestock farming is also dependent on soil because they eat grass and grasses grows on soil. Soils also maintain the humidity in the environment because through soil water gets evaporated into the atmosphere that leads to increase in humidity and causes rainfall. Fertile soils attract human settlements, so density of population lives on this soil for carrying out agriculture works. Ancient civilizations developed on these fertile soils for carrying out their agricultural activities. Soils have affected the march or the beginning of the civilizations. Soil erosion. Now, what is soil erosion? The removal of topsoil by running water, wind, etc. is called soil erosion. So, soil erosion means when the topsoil is getting washed away by running water, wind, etc., which causes destruction to the soil and affects the plant growth. This is called the soil erosion. Soil erosion affects the productivity of the land because the soil loses all its nutrients. Soil conservation. Conservation of soil is extremely required because soil is a non-renewable resource and it is very difficult to replace where it has been eroded or washed away. Thus, we have to protect the soil from erosion by following the measures. Contour plowing method. This method is required to check the soil erosion on the hill slopes or hilly areas by preventing the flow of water down the slope. Thus, it is an approved method for soil conservation. Cattle grazing. So, the grazing of cattle should be restricted to protect or conserve the soil. Extraction of minerals. So, the extraction of minerals from beneath the soils should be banned to protect it. Deforestation. Deforestation means felling down of trees. This should be banned to protect and conserve the soil at a large scale. Steppe cultivation. The steppe cultivation should be practiced on the hill slopes or hilly regions to protect the soil from getting eroded at a large scale. This helps to protect and conserve the soil for cultivation purposes. Saplings should be planted. So, trees or saplings should be planted for promoting the act of afforestation, which will help to conserve the soil as the plant roots hold the soil tightly and protect it from getting eroded. Now, construction should be banned. Constructions like roads, buildings, and houses should not be constructed along the slopes. Thank you, children.